Hey, what's up? This is Kier. Today I'm going to share on how to use a project management tool called Trello. Trello is a flexible and visual way to manage and organize your project that helps you streamline your project and manage your team with ease. In this video, I will show you how to use Trello for project management, how to set up Trello, and how to start effective workflows. To get started, you should download Trello under your Microsoft Store or Apple Store or Google Store. Then, log in and create an account, or just simply log in using your existing Google accounts. Once you have created an account, this will be the picture inside your Trello application. To proceed, let's start by navigating our mouse to this plus sign, which means create a board. Then choose create a board. For this video, I'm going to use the plain blue as an example of my background. And I'm going to name my board type special project. Then choose a workspace. Then visibility of workspace. We can set this in private or public, but for this video, I'm going to set this on public. Then create. And now we're all set in creating our workspace. It kind of look a little bit intimidating, but don't worry. In this video, I'm going to explain sequence by sequence. So let's get started by creating a board. Navigate your mouse into this add list. Then we can start by naming our board. Let's say, for example, I'm going to name my first board ideas. Then I'm going to add another. Then another one is and final one is done. Ideas, thoughts or suggestions to precise course of action. Then the number 2 board is to do activities or plans prepared. Then as we go along with doing performance executed, then we proceed with done, completed or finished. So this serves as my board. Now I'm going to add a card. Cards is a list of collections vertically arranged that represents a collection of ideas, things to remember, or different stages of a workflow. Let's say, for example, I'm going to name my first card create a new website, then hire an assistant. Once we are done with our cards, right click your card so we could add some description. Let's say, for example, I have prepared an example of description. I'm just going to copy this one and paste it in my Trello. There. Writing a book. Description is needs to be 500 pages long, needs to be published by the end of 2023. Then I'm going to save this and proceed with labels. For this one, I'm going to choose red, which I have tagged as urgent, and green, which I have tagged as writing. Then save and proceed. Then we go to checklist. A checklist keep track of subtasks within a card. Let's try to add a checklist. Checklist serves as a subtask where we can check the progress of each card by checking this checklist. As you can see, while I'll check this research a topic and hire an editor once I am done, it goes to show 2 out of 3. So I'm going to move this one into doing. Or for example, let's say for example I'm also done with find a quiet place to write, then save. It goes that I have hit the my task or my subtask under this card. Then we proceed by adding a due date. Let's say, for example, I need to get this done by December 31, 2023 at around 1 p.m. Then we proceed by setting a due date reminder. I will be reminded 1 day before my due date comes. Let's say I will be reminded at December 30, 2023. Then I'm going to save this. Then let's proceed with the attachments. In adding an attachment to add details, share concept with your teammates. I can add that attachment by simply uploading a file from my computer. Let's say for this one, writing a book, I'm going to upload a picture of a book. This and make it as a cover. Now, once we are done adding labels, checklists, dates, and attachments, we now proceed by adding a member. In adding a member, navigate your mouse to share, then simply type the email address of the member you want to add. Let's say, for example, I'm going to add one. Then click share. I have already added this particular person as a member of my workspace. Then, let's go back to the card. Add members. Then, as you can see, recently I have added a member and now I can share this card or board or task to her. There. She's now a part of my workspace. Once we are done with our card, let's say for example, I've finished this task, I'm just going to drag this on my right corner of my screen, which emphasize on what status are my tasks already. Same as goes with the other cards, I'm just going to drag this one in a right direction. Let's say for example, create a new website. Then it means that it is being done. Then read productivity book to do. Then lastly is publish. Once the task landed in the done section, we can archive the card to remove the card from the board, but still it is still searchable and can be activated anytime. So I hope that I have explained everything well in this video and hope that you have learned something from me. So see you in my other videos. Have a good day.